not the same as 7. So it's a statement. Very good, very good. All right, let's bring it back together in 3, 2, 1. Who can come solve 2 plus 4? Logan. Right, the number underneath. What is 2 plus 4? Beautiful. Do we agree with Logan?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, so we have 2 plus 4 is 6. So we have 6. We have to drop our equal symbol, and we know that is 6 is the same as 6. Who can come solve 6 plus 1? You're welcome. 6 plus 1, please write the number underneath. Beautiful. Is 6 the same as 7?
No.
No, you make us sit, Eileen. So we would say this is a false statement. What is this? A false statement. It is not true. So we're going to put a line through it. It is not the same. 6 is not the same as 7. Give me a thumbs up if this, you're like, my brain's working. I'm thinking. I think I'm getting this. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, so remember, when we are talking about the equal symbol, you are going to say, is the same. What are you going to say?
Is the same.
Is the same. All right, what I would like you to do, yes you may, is we're going to start moving on forward quietly to the front so we can get to know our game a little better. All right, come on up.
Yeah, what's that?
You'll see. Move on up, move on up. Yes, yes, you're right. First grade, move on up, please.
We're playing the skip.
All right. Just spell in Riley. All right, first grade. We are going to introduce. We're going to introduce 2 more symbols. Can we take a scoot back so my feet can get through here? Scoot back. We are going to play top it. I need to introduce 2 new symbols because we're going to play top it a different way. All right? I am going to write turn to a neighbor. Is this a true statement?
No.
Oh, turn to a neighbor.
It's a
No. All right, blow into your hands. Release. No, it's a false statement. Turn to a neighbor. Which number is bigger? Come back together in 3, 2, 1. What number is bigger?
7.
So these are not the same first grade. But guess what? I'm going to show you 2 symbols that we can use, 2 math symbols to help us compare 2 numbers. Okay? So I'm going to erase. So we have 2 numbers here, 4 and a 7. You told me that the 7 is bigger. So I have 2 symbols. I'm going to show you up here. Whoa!
You're on the highlighter. You're on the highlighter.
I am on the highlighter. Not that big.
That big. What are the signs?
These are the 2 symbols. Raise your hand if you've ever seen these before. Isaac, what do you think these symbols are about?
I've seen them in like when you can. when you have
Do you forget?
yeah.
That's okay, but you've seen them before. That's awesome. And it's also okay if you haven't seen them before. These symbols are called our greater than, our more than, and our less than symbols, okay? We use these to compare two numbers together, all right? Now there are two fun tricks to remember these symbols, all right? I'm gonna do a little sketching for a second, all right?
Yay.
We'll draw it.
It's a shark.
What does that look like, Aiden? A shark, or maybe an alligator, all right? A crocodile. When we are talking, Alejandra, when we are talking about the greater than symbol, I want you to imagine, what animal do you want to imagine? Shark? Want to do the shark? We'll do a shark because we've been reading about nonfiction books and about sharks. We are going to imagine that this is a shark. A hungry shark. His mouth is open. Show me a mouth that's open, pointing towards the door. It is greater than. So he's going to eat more fish or less fish if he's hungry? More. He wants the bigger number, okay? He wants all the fish, okay? Another way is that we can draw some dots. We need to find the bigger number. What number is bigger? 7. You will draw 2 dots next to the bigger number. What number is smaller? 4. How many dots do you think the 4 gets? 1. Then you connect your dots.
It's a triangle.
Look at that. Which way is our hungry shark facing, Aiden? Look at his mouth.
He's gonna eat this, right?
He wants to eat, yeah, he wants to eat 7 fish. He doesn't just want 4. He wants 7. So 4 is less than 7.
This is so cool.
You like this?
It's like connect the dots, except you're connecting a shark's head.
Yeah, so you can either do the dot method. You always put 2 dots at the number that's bigger. Here's 2 dots. Or you draw the shark's mouth because the shark wants to eat more fish. And right here we have 7 fish. You can make Jacob. We have 4 fish. Our shark wants 7 fish, okay? And the way we would read this sentence, listen first. 4 is less than 7. Say it with me. 4 is less than 7. What if I wrote it this way?
Hungry. 7.
Talk to your partner.
That shark would be
Listen, which?
It's the same way.
Which way would his mouth be open? Seven. Once more. All right, bring it back together in 3, 2, 1. Show me with your hands. Does our more than symbol or our less than symbol? Does he want more fish or less?
More.
Show me. He wants more, right? So we're going to use our greater than symbol because 7 is greater than 4. We're going to say it, 7 is more than 4. Say it with me. 7 is more